guys, it's Cindy here. What is up? Today you're wondering, why do you have a friend on your face or a couple? And it's because I'm breaking out, okay? So don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me on all my breakouts. It's been a stressful week. Anyways, today the most exciting thing ever is we are going to compare pumpkin spice lattes. I'm going to get one from Tim Hortons. I am going to get one from Starbucks. And I'm going to make one myself. We are going to find out which one's better. Cheapest, medium priced, and most expensive price. So come on, join this journey. I actually already have the pumpkin spice creamer, and I'm just gonna go get some, whipped cream, and then we're gonna go to Timmy's and we're gonna go to Starbucks. We will see which one is worth your money. So we made it to the good old Wally World. We are just about to get our whipping cream. Let's be healthy bitches today and get the light whip because we're healthy. That was really aggressively noisy. We're in the Halloween section. Ew.
What a burger.
Look at that thing.
Oh, that's a barbecue.
A barbecue. Okay, I wanted to show you guys these. Look at this, what you can get at Walmart. It's pumpkin lights, and they're only $5 and you get 6 feet. Look how cute this is, guys. It's a little doggy. That's actually really cute. Let's check what's over here. Look at all of this stuff. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can hear this, but Cole is playing with shit over here. What are you doing?
A skeleton cat?
I'm good. Nothing's freaking scary. On our way to get the Timmy's first. Hi, can I get a small pumpkin spice latte, or does it have to be a medium?
Small pumpkin spice latte?
Yeah, is that possible?
Yeah. And you want in the medium cup?
Or actually, you know what? I'm sorry. Scratch that. I'll just have a medium.
Okay, for sure.
Might not have enough on the gift card. Thank you. Got my pumpkin spice latte #1. Now let's go get the other one.
Hi there, thank you for choosing our Starbucks. What can I serve you?
Can I get a tall, please?
Yes, the tall pumpkin latte?
Yeah.
And it's nighttime. Can I also add that? So it's not like I'm gonna drink these all tonight. I'm just gonna have them tomorrow. Both of them.
Mix them.
Ooh, I should. I guess pumpkin spice lattes take a very long time to make. But no pressure if you guys work at Starbucks or Timmy's. I mean, that's awesome. Tell me if you do though. Does it take a long time to make? Oh,
Hi there.
Bye.
Here you are. Here's your latte for you.
Thank you.
thank you.
Have a great night.
You too. Thank you. Ooh, got the second one, guys. We're here in the Halloween station. Woo-hoo. That was weird. Okay, I'm sorry. I am scared because I have 3 coffees in front of me. And it's like almost 8 o'clock at night, and I work tomorrow, and this is gonna be wild, and oh my goodness. As you guys told you in the beginning, I have a Starbucks. Ooh, the best, the classic. I have the good old Canadian A. I don't even know. Tim Hortons pumpkin spice latte. And then we're gonna make my own, which I already have it here. And I'll show you how I made that in a minute. First, gonna start off with the classic, the Starbucks. So, I want to open this up. I'm gonna literally compare them like hardcore. Oh my god, it looks so good. There was whipped cream on here. It's just melted because driving back home and such. Let's try it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This video's good. I gotta do more of these. Next, let's try the Timmy's. Let's try the Canadian. Canadians do it best, right? Just kidding. If you're American out there, you guys do it good too. Let's inspect first. Looks like a coffee. I don't think there was whipped cream on this though. Can we also just talk about how this was like $4 and how much of is missing from here? Like, I haven't drank any of that. Like, Timmy's freaking, what the hell? Oh. Okay, this is so obvious. I'm not gonna tell you which is the best, but really, really good. Really, really creamy. I'm gonna just... So, more flavor, more creaminess. That's basically the main thing. You can actually taste the spices in this one, and in this one, it's not as in your face. You taste more coffee in this one than in the Starbucks one. That's what I really am noticing, actually. Now, let's try mine. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but you can get a pumpkin spice creamer from Delight. Wow, that's the French side. I have that mixed in my Halloween mug. It's right there. But not only, I wanted to make this video special. So I went and bought, as you guys saw in the clip before, whipped cream because I wanted to make it fair, you know? Let's add our whipping cream. I also got cinnamon. I don't have nutmeg, and I'm pretty sure that's mostly what they use. So I think they put a little bit of cinnamon, probably not, but we're gonna put cinnamon in mine because I want to make it look somewhat special and somewhat similar. So now let's try mine. I have to say it, I have my best to my worst. Well, not that it's worst. Drum roll, please. Ba-bam! Number 1 is Starbucks. Yay! Who would have guessed? I didn't know for sure. I thought maybe Timmy's, but no, this just has the flavor. It's got the creaminess in it. It's got it all. Like, it's straight up good. Like, it's perfect. Like, it's like when you think of pumpkin spice latte, this is what you think. So, you know, 10 out of 10, honestly. I really like Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. Second in place, Timmy's. I don't know if you guys would have expected that. I hope not. Like, I hope I, like, surprised you. The only reason I'm saying Timmy, it just tastes more pumpkin-y than the creamer. Now, I would rate Timmy's, though, maybe like a 7, because it's actually not that decent. Like, it's all right. I just taste more cream with a little spit of, like, freaking pumpkin spice. You know what I mean? Like, it's not, like, really beautiful like this one. I'm gonna rate this a 7 out of 10. It's still good. I still love you, Canada. You're amazing. Timmy's, you're amazing. You're my best friend. You're cheaper. Now, let's go to mine. I am gonna say this is last place, but I'm gonna say it's last place by not a lot. I'm gonna say this is like a 6. Putting that in perspective, the fact that I made it my own, I have my own whipping cream and my own creamer, which this is like $5 and the whipping cream is like $3.50, so $8.50. But keep in mind that if I was drinking that like by myself, that probably lasts me for like a week and a half, and that was like $8.50, right? So what is that? That's like $1.10 compared to 4, or basically rounding it up with tax, 5, right? So for $1 a day, I have to rate this like a 6, even a 6.5. Like, it is good. If you guys want to really save your money this spooky season, I really have to say, just buy the creamer. My logic is get these if you're feeling snazzy, if you want to treat yourself, and get, you know, buy this for like the whole spooky season. You always can have pumpkin spice latte. Excuse me. Pumpkin spice is coming out. I feel aggressive right now. Like, I had a little bit too much coffee and it's nighttime. I'm in for a very late night. That is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Maybe if you guys really enjoyed this comparison to store-bought seasonal treats, Tim Hortons seasonal treats, and Starbucks seasonal treats. So if you guys want that video, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button. It would make me so happy. We can maybe get to 200 subscribers by the end of October. Maybe I'll do a little spooky giveaway. Don't forget to comment of the day. Let's see, what should we do? Comment your favorite thing about spooky season. Like, what do you guys like about it the most? I would love to know. For me, I'd have to say I just like getting scared. I love the cozy vibes, and I love the colors and the outfits and the makeup and the smell and just the weather. I just love everything about it. Don't forget to give this video a big, huge thumbs up. Have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Stay happy, stay healthy, love yourself, you know, give yourself a big old hug, because you are very important and very loved. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I can't. Okay. Bye.